Now, if you haven't checked out Zookeeper.finance in a while, I would encourage you to do so because they have a brand new splash page, really nice looking, explains a lot of things going on in the Zookeeper world, in the zoo economy. With the safari pools and the Zoorina, they recently did an AMA that we will be covering in the near future. Zoo, like most crypto, is down. It's currently worth about 5.5 cents per US dollar. So it's been a few days since I've harvested, and you can see that I have 35 Zoo and about 28 WASP. So let's go ahead, turn that into some XRP by clicking the harvest button and confirming that gas fee of a fraction of a penny. And just like that, you can see the Zoo and the WASP is being harvested. Now that is in my wallet. And next we're going to go to wanSwap.finance, or we can take the shortcut by clicking add liquidity. Now we don't want to add liquidity to the pool, so we're going to click on the swap tab. We'll need to change this Wan to Zoo, and we're going to swap into Wan wrapped Ripple, which this is basically a receipt for Ripple. Click max, swap it, confirm the swap. We'll do this in real time here. We're going to confirm the fraction of a penny gas fee, close it, and there we go. We now have 3.46557 Wan wrapped Ripple, which is the equivalent of 1 Ripple for every 1 Wan wrapped Ripple. Then we'll just do the same thing for the WASP tokens. Max it out, swap it, confirm the swap. Anybody that's in these pools, you are welcome for the fractions of a penny that I'm paying right now to you. There it goes. We now have 5.72841 Wan wrapped Ripple. So next we're going to go to the Wan wallet on the desktop. And here we are inside the Wan wallet, where we do see we have the wanXRP. The Wan wrapped XRP 5.72, worth about $3.23 USD. So we're going to go ahead, cross-chain XRPL, the XRP ledger, to Wanchain. And you'll see up here, this is XRPL, where we are going to convert to, and we currently hold it in the wanXRP on Wanchain. Click convert. We're going to send everything over. Next. Looks good. The Storeman group, that's going to be validating that. The network is 0.00035 Wan, and there is no wanXRP fees. So we're going to go ahead and send that over. And it's lock request, and we'll pop back on after that has been verified and validated. All right, and here we are back. We see that it is successfully unlocked, and the 5.782419 XRP has now shifted from the Wanchain to the XRP ledger of 25.72. So you always have to have a minimum requirement of 20 XRP. That's what the XRP wallets require, and the wallet that's accessible here inside of Wan Wallet is a standard XRP ledger wallet, so those same rules apply. Now let's send that over to Coinbase. We're going to click on wallet and the XRP ledger wallet. Hit send. So from Coinbase, I'm going to grab the address and the XRP tag. You can see we have an XRP balance of only 0.78 and change. So we'll copy the address tag and we'll paste that inside of the recipient address. And very important, make sure you copy the XRP tag and put that inside of the destination tag. We're going to send everything that's over the 20 threshold. It'll be a fee of 0.000012 XRP, and we're going to go ahead and send that away. And we do see that it is pending, and it is now successfully transferred. So we'll pop over to Coinbase and make sure that it's in there. And there it is. We received the 5.7284 XRP inside of our wallet on Coinbase. So there it is. We've harvested Zoo and WASP, converted it to wanXRP, converted the wanXRP to XRP, and sent it to any wallet that you choose. And if you'd like to learn how to farm with Zookeeper, click on the video here, and I will see you there.